All right, we are at Black Talon, and they've got a Raptor, which is a crazy little bullpup gun. I'm a huge fan of bullpups. I absolutely love bullpups, but it's a love-hate relationship. Why do I love them? Nice, short, compact platform. I hate them because their triggers suck.
Some interesting stuff.
Until this gun. This is the very first bullpup trigger I've ever hit where it feels more like a standard AR type trigger. It breaks really nice. It's got a crisp and amazing break and reset to it. It's short, but it takes away all that squishy muck that bullpups have a tendency to have for their triggers because of the disconnected feeling with all the linkage and all of that. This makes it feel much more like an AR trigger. And the thing is super, super light, and it's compact, and it's mobile, and it's movable. Comes up on sight, super, super easy. Plus, I got to admit, it's one of the sexiest looking bullpups that I have seen in a long time. Black Talon really struck gold on making this thing. I'm actually in love with this product. From the top to the bottom, this is just one badass little bullpup. You guys got to see and feel the trigger of this thing. It's just nuts. That's crazy out of a bullpup. Another product that they've got is their AR-15 trigger, which there's a lot of AR-15 triggers on the market, don't get me wrong. They're everywhere, just walk, shot, show. But the trigger shoe on this one is a really cool, unique design. It's very flat up at the top, and at the bottom it's got this little kind of an indexing ledge. So if you're somebody who does riding the base of that trigger guard, you can ride the base of that trigger guard and it gives you a really cool index point. And then if we look at break and reset on it, and I'll try to bring it to this side, super short on break, super short on break and reset combined. But one of the coolest features is adjustable from 2 to 5 pounds from the exterior, and it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but right in here has an adjustment knob. You can very clearly see where you are at, and you can adjust that out from the outside. I don't have to take the gun apart. I don't have to take anything apart other than just grabbing a simple wrench, like a little Allen key like this. I'm gonna put that Allen key inside here, and I'm just gonna turn until I get the desired amount of poundage that I want for that trigger. Super innovative, super, super cool. Can't wait to be able to test one of these out.